While electrical engineers often work with current, sometimes we need to focus on exactly how tightly packed that current is. That's where current density comes in. Current density, represented by the letter J, is the amount of current flowing through a specific area. You calculate it by dividing the current, measured in amps, by the cross-sectional area it is flowing through, measured in square meters. So the units are simply amps per square meter. So why does this matter? If too much current flows through a small area, like a small wire or too narrow PCB trace, it can cause the area to heat up and even fail. This is why engineers use current density when deciding how thick of a wire or PCB trace to use to safely carry a given current. It's like sunlight. Just like sunlight can feel nice on your hand, but focused on a smaller area with a magnifying glass can light paper on fire, the same amount of current at a higher current density can change from being something useful to being a fire hazard.